It's Wednesday here at MACH 2018. I'm on the Mills stand. Let's go and take a closer look at what they're displaying today. Hey, Lee, what are you doing here on the Mills stand?
Hello, mate. Just put a letter of intent in on this new D&M 6700.
Ah, right. Why have you chose this machine?
Well, we need a bigger machine for our facility. With capacities, we need extra capacity. We were looking originally at the 5700, which is a bit of a smaller machine, to replace an existing machine we got. And we saw the 6700 and fits our needs perfectly.
And what do you like about the machine?
Well, we've got a long established relationship with Doosan, and it's a good machine. It's got good spindle speed and everything else. There's no belts in there, so it's a nice, reliable machine, and it's a good system.
And where did you see the machine?
Well, this one we saw in the showroom in Leamington, but originally we saw the 5700 on MTD.
Oh, that's brilliant.
I just said that so I can get a Swarf and Chips bag, obviously. But no, we originally did see the machine on your channel. Then we went in and saw the bigger machine, and we decided this was the one. So we've issued a letter of intent, and we'll complete this after the show.
When you've got it installed and it's at Nuneaton, can we come and do another piece then?
Yeah, of course you can. Of course you can. There's other things that we're looking at. We're also looking at a CMM machine today as well. So there's a lot of investment going on in Cogsdill. We're very busy at the moment, and it's a good time for us.
So MACH 2018 has been a success for you. You've got your checkbook out by the looks of it.
It is. I came with a shopping list this morning, but it's been a really good. It's a really good show, and it's good for the industry to see so many people around. It's a real buzz about it, which is great news.
Brilliant. Thanks, Lee. Well, I'm going to crack on with my tour, but in fact, nice seeing you.
You too, mate. Thank you very much. Cheers, Gio.
Bye-bye.